Okay guys. So pwede nyo, susunod na mga awardee pwede nyo i-forfeit ang awarding time for picture ng prize. Pero bilisan nyo lang.
Rain and then you forgot your awards.
O wag na naman, last na raw yan, sabi ni Joseph.
Okay. So our next award, which is another fair award, goes to the Cutest Couple Award.
Next step, cutest couple.
So the nominees, and she entered the first. Our next nominees,
Kirby!
Kim Maluki and Jason Johnson. So this time this is for the
Next up, Alisa Yapuo and Ian Galason. And last, Kirby and Sigan.
and the winners are
Kiss! Kiss!
Okay, wala na picture sabi ni Joseph. Salamat sa mga nag-vote.
Kiss!
So let's give him another round of applause. So our next award, just kind of a funny award since we're presenting it, the Twilight Award. Goes to the whitest complexion.
Ako na sana nanalo nito eh. Problema lang, kailangan lang ako ganito eh. Problema yung pinag-uusap din. So our nominees, Jacqueline, Yuya.
Our next nominee, Hazel Lim.
Our third nominee, Isabel Rivera.
And our final nominee, Mikey Anthony. If you guys notice, we're all Chinese. So,
And our winner is wala. Ikaw na naman mabuti.
si Ethel gumawa ng salsa. Pero mo si Ethel. Wait,
Ito na, mababakit namin sa inyo. Ito na. Come on! Oreo!
okay, she doesn't want to say.
So sana matanong ano secrets mo eh. Gluta ba? Papaya soap? Yan na, bear ka, ikaw na. Hindi talaga ako pupunti kung bear.
So our next award,
Our next award,
Foreign Beauty, goes to the most exotic person in the match. Our first nominee is Ayan.
our second nominee,
Our third nominee, Hazel Lim.
and our fourth nominee, Tim Acosta. So guys, sa tingin nyo, sino na ng award?
Bombay!
Most foreign batchmate is
Pag-iinit ko na sa Walwa Boys.
Ian Ilan. Ikaw ang mag-say, Ian Ilan.
How do you feel to win this award?
Kuya, pwede mo ba kayo ng background music? May gyro pa ko dyan.
Okay na sumama dito. Baka mahalata namin yung tunay mong bukod.
Anyway, so So after those awards, before we go on to the next set of awards, we're going to have another performance.